Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Pete the Cat from the Pete the Cat book series. Now, to start off with Pete, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a curved line here. And then I'm going to keep these really close together, and I'm going to add another curved line right here, kind of like two sad faces. Next, I'm going to add a line that goes down and then up, and another one here. It just goes down and up. Now at the top here, I'm going to add a little line that goes down and up, kind of like two little smiley faces. Then we're going to add another one inside of here, and we'll just color this little area right around here for the pupil of the eye. For the nose, draw a little line that goes straight across. Then you're going to make a little V shape that goes down and up. Now, starting by the nose, I'm going to draw a line that goes up at an angle. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. We're going to start here and just go right up at an angle. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up on each side. And then you want to come down at a little diagonal line for the ears. Then just add a little line across for the head. Now, starting right here, we're going to draw the body. So I'm going to draw a nice long line that goes out to here. Then for his tail, you want to draw a line that goes up, and it's just going to curl around a little bit. Then you're going to draw a line that's going to slowly curl back around, and then we're going to come all the way down here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. I'm going to make a little line that goes over, and then we're going to come back up for a skinny leg. Then I'm going to make another line that goes over, and it's going to come down. Then I'm going to go over and back up. Next, we're going to make a little line that goes over here for the body. Then I'll make a little line that goes down, over, and up for another skinny leg. Then one here that goes down, over, and we're going to come right up here towards the tail. Now, Pete the Cat gets in lots of crazy adventures and does a lot of different stuff. I'm actually going to draw him wearing some of his sneakers. So to draw his sneakers, I'm actually going to start with this one right here. And all you do is draw a line that goes down. Make a line that goes over. You're going to add a little curved line that comes back across. Then you're just going to draw a line that goes up and over. Now this one, I'm going to draw a line that goes down to the top of this sneaker. And then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to draw this down a little bit, but you can see I'm not touching that line right there. This time I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and it's going to curve down. And then I'm going to draw it right to this sneaker. I'm going to do the same thing here. We'll draw a little line that goes down. We'll draw another one on this side, goes down a little bit less. You want to make a line that goes out, and it's going to curve down. And then it just comes straight across here. We'll do this one more time here. We'll draw a little line that goes down. Same thing on this side. And I'll draw a line that goes out. It's going to curve down and come back. Now we want to add some details onto the sneakers. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a little line right across the bottom of each sneaker. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes right down the front of them. Then I'm just going to add a couple little long skinny U's on the top of the sneakers for the laces. Now on the sides of Pete the Cat's face, we're going to add the whiskers. So I'm just going to add some quick little lines on each side for some whiskers. And there you go, there is your drawing of Pete the Cat. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.